Hi, welcome to the eGen Solutions YouTube channel where we help you make your social media for your business a little bit easier. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a profile picture, and I'm also going to give you the 2022 profile sizes for each of the main social media sites. If you want to skip to anything, you can do so by going down to the description of the video and looking for the chapters where you can skip right to the parts that you want. All right, with all that out of the way, let's get going. So here we are in Canva, and this is the easiest and best place to create a profile picture for your business or for you personally. And the best way to do that is just to make sure you have the very recent profile sizes, which I'm going to give you next in the next section of this video for all the social sites. But to make sure you have the correct one, and come over here to this little button that says custom size. Simply select that. And for Facebook, which is what we're going to do today, we know that the Facebook size is 170 by 170. You're going to simply put that in, and you want to make sure that this is for pixels. It's in that metric. And then you're going to select the button that says create new design. You simply do that. And I want to move myself again here, and you're going to have your nice little template for the exact size that you need for a profile picture. What you need to do then is come over here to the left and upload a photo of yourself or your logo. Now I've already uploaded a picture of myself, so I'm just going to search here and my pictures come up. So I'm going to take the picture that's been uploaded, and I'm simply going to pull it and drag it over to that white space, and it perfectly fits in. I have my profile picture all done now for my social site. Now, I am going to tell you the major couple of things, 2 tips. Make sure you have a high resolution picture, because you don't want to look pixelated in your profile pictures. That just would not be cool. That follows suit for both your logo and for your personal profile picture. The other tip I'm going to give you is be sure to name this. You don't have to put Facebook, but you can put your full name in there or your full business name. Why do you want to do that? Because when you upload this, that name and that little tag is searchable in Google and Facebook, and this will just help you get a little lift in some organic reach and a little bit of SEO knowledge there for you. So there's my tip from me to you for today. Now let's get going into how all the different sizes for the social media sites. One little tidbit that I forgot to share with you is how to download this picture. So we're going to take care of that right now. Once you have everything done the way you like, you want to come over here and simply click share. Scroll all the way down to download. And then you have your different file types. SVG, we don't really need that for a profile picture. In fact, I think most social sites want a JPEG or a PNG file. Higher quality obviously in the PNG, so I always choose that. Simply select download, and that will download right to your choice of anywhere in your computer. So that's how you download your created profile to your computer, and then once it's there, you'll have to find it again and upload it right to your profile picture. So that's how you get that started. Now let's get back to all the different sizes. Just a quick reminder that we did all of that in a Canva Pro version, which will make your life so much easier, but you can do it in the Canva free version as well. If you'd like to try Canva Pro for free for 30 days, please see the link below in our YouTube description here, and you can try all the benefits of a Pro version for 30 days free. All right, so I'm going to tell you the sizes for the major social media sites and their profile sizes for 2022. Are you ready? You can also pause this video and just write it down if that's a little easier for you too. Facebook is 170 by 170. Instagram is 110 by 100. Twitter is 400 by 400. TikTok is 200 by 200. Google Business Profile or Google My Business Profile, whichever one you're still using, it has changed names, is 250 by 250. And LinkedIn is 400 by 400. If you have found this video to be helpful, please give us a thumbs up. We know what kind of content to make, and also that helps us in the YouTube algorithms. Until the next video, thank you, and we'll see you again.